Here we go, here we go.
Now guys, look at this lineup, look at this.
That's the biggest hater in the world. He's a certified meat rider, certified. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got a big video today. I get to do a test ride on S1K Rafa's 2021, I think it is, 2021 BMW S1000. This is the one bike I've been wanting to test ride for the longest time. I've never been able to do it. Rafa's trusted me to do it. Here goes the startup right here, boys. Shout out Rafa. Y'all go check Rafa's channel out. His channel is just like mine. He posts the same content I do, except he's on the S1000 and he's in Dallas. He's based out of Dallas with Mez. Beautiful 2021 S1000 double R, full stage 2 Brent tuned. This thing is a beauty, as you can see. Look at the dash. The dash is like an iPad. I'll probably get some races in against Knuckles to see what I do against his bike. But yeah, oh my god, this thing just feels rich. Whoa! Yeah, we're gonna be a good day today, boys. I'm on my tippy toes right now. Hold on, let me scoot forward. It does sit higher, and it's not as heavy as I thought it'd be. Cause y'all know the CBR is a heavy bike. This actually feels like it's probably in the 420s, high 420s, I'd say. Look at that. Look, the same guy in the last video talking trash is talking trash again. If it's just because I'm on Beamer that I'm gonna lose. No, he's done. He's done. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is insane. I'm on the Beamer. And then Rafa's on the triple, of course. Rafa looks huge on that bike. Oh my lord. That was so smooth. That's so smooth. Dude, it's so smooth. It's insane. Oh my god. It feels like there's still a little bit of vibration in the handlebars, but as far as that goes, it feels about as smooth as Mez's bike does. But this guy's getting gapped. He's getting gapped. Oh, you're getting gapped on this too. 2 videos in a row. Meat rider. Oh my god, do y'all hear that? Oh, pothole. He's got carbon wheels, so I'm not trying to hit any of these potholes.
Oh no, bro, fuck the triple R. You look good on it, man.
I do?
Yeah.
it feels good, dude. It feels good. Dylan! Dylan! Come back! Oh yeah, now he wants to cry. But the camera was off, and he was talking all this trash like he's gonna get me when I'm on Rafa's bike. Just so y'all know, that's the biggest hater in the world. He's a certified meat rider, certified hater. He's the biggest hater in the world, bro. He just doesn't want to see anybody win but himself. What is he? He's like 0 for 6 today. He's lost every race. He lost to him. He lost to him. He lost to me. He's lost to everybody today. And he's gonna get another L on this. Oh, he's done. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Dude, look at this lineup, dude. Look at this lineup, guys. Look at this lineup. Look at this. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We good.
Oh, yes.
It's still a little bit stuck, but it works. I just need to mount.
You want to put it back on you or what?
Nah, the mount is broke.
I'll get the other one.
Oh, you have another one?
Yeah, the one I gave you.
Alright guys, we're still alive. Hey, the recording?
Yeah.
Yes? Alright boys, GoPro flew off the face. Hopefully it's still working. If not, that's gonna suck. What, the wheelie came up so high, and I came back down, and then I hit the tank with my chin. Well, we're all good to go.
I had to run all the way like a quarter mile to go get the GoPro, pick it up. Oh my God. I got him. again. Let's go. No, let's go again. Bye-bye, Dylan. Bye-bye, Dylan. Slow bitch. I just needed one more good test and it's done. You're done, buddy.
That was a good run though. It's just the first gear is like, it's hard. It's hard, yeah. It flew off. Cause I hit the tank and it went boom. Yeah, I do love the Beamers though. The Beamers are very, very nice. I don't see what everybody's saying that it feels like a computer though. It doesn't. It feels raw to me, like raw power. It feels like to me. I don't see how people say it feels like a computer. It feels more raw than my CBR does. So I mean, it feels nice. I like it a lot. But all right, everybody, that's pretty much gonna do it for the video. Huge shout out to S1K Rafa for letting me ride this beautiful S1000. I absolutely loved it. The thing rips. Sadly, the GoPro flew off my face, so I couldn't get as much footage, but I think we still made the most of it. But either way, I appreciate y'all tuning in. And as always, I will see you in the next one.